Hello, I remembered one other thing that might be really helpful to review in case this is something you are unfamiliar with still. So we need to update the assignment due dates for this coming semester. So if you go in your Canvas, go to your dashboard and over here on your calendar, you can drag and drop and change these assignment due dates. It's coming up with December because it's still the 29th for me right now, but as I advance into January, then I start to see making sure I've got the right course selected that's for fall. It's kind of difficult to tell which one, but if it's the one that has due dates in January and beyond, that's probably the one. So for my week one, my first class is going to be on Wednesday. So I'm going to have that assignment due or that journal due by the following Tuesday, the day before the next class. The week two discussion is going to be due before week two day of class. So that's going to go for me on the 11th as well. So the journal from week one and the discussion for week two will be the day before class on the second week. So I'm going to do the same thing, dragging and dropping. So my second class is on the 12th. So my second journal will be due on the 18th and my week three discussion on the 18th as well. So simply by dragging and dropping these based on what day of the week that you teach, that's what will cue your students into what your due dates are and make everything accurate that way. So if you need to make some adjustments there, go ahead and do that, and that will help your students stay on track.